Hi, today we're going to talk about our new fantastic Lewis Reed wheelchair position. This is called SureFit 200. It's fully adjustable and flexible wheelchair tie down system. Let's have a look how it works. Once we have our wheelchair occupants in position, our first job is to put the front wheelchair tie down on and tighten it down. Once both front wheelchair tie downs are securely fastened to the chair, we now move to the rear to attach the rear position. The SureFit 200 is a fully adjustable and flexible wheelchair tie down system. For this, you can have a small wheelchair and a tie down at the front of the tracking, and if it was a larger wheelchair, the tie down would then be positioned at the rear of the tracking. The next step is to position our rear wheelchair tie downs in a tracking and attach them to the wheelchair. Because this is a small and medium wheelchair, the tie downs are at the very front of the tracking, and we also need to adjust our shoulder position right to the front. You'll notice there's a buckle on the end of the seat belt. This needs to attach to our left hand wheelchair tie down. We do this like so. Once the shoulder belt's clipped into the reel, we now proceed to take the shoulder belt around the wheelchair occupant. Our shoulder position is adjusted all the way to the front. This enables the shoulder belt so it doesn't fall off the occupant's shoulder while travelling along. The SureFit 200 system has been designed for the larger and heavier wheelchairs that are now available on the market.